Hello everyone, this is the next video in the Dapr series. In this video, I will cover how we can install WSL on the Windows or how we can install Linux on Windows system. Although it is Dapr series, but we need to install Docker and then we need to download some images and run the container. That's why actually Docker is a prerequisite, we can say that, for learning the Dapr. And that's why first we will install the WSL and then we will install the Docker on it. So in this video we will install only WSL. So what is WSL? Actually WSL is a Windows subsystem for Linux, and I think after the 2016 Linux and the Windows have some agreement or something with which now we can install some libraries of the Linux on the window while running few commands. Now I will cover that. If you will search how to install WSL on Windows, you will find multiple links which are guiding step by step how we can install. I will open any one. So here it is. I found one link where we can see how we can install WSL on Windows 10. I will give this particular website link inside the description of the video. Okay, first of all, WSL is a Windows subsystem for Linux. It is a free optional feature of Windows 10 that allow us to install Linux programs or run the Linux program on the window. So there are some requirements before installing the WSL on system. Our system should be 64-bit version of Windows 10 or later version. It will not run on the earlier version of the Windows 10 like Windows 8. It will not work on Windows 7 as well. So only after the Windows 10 it will work. Also system should be 64-bit. Here we can read on the screen what are the prerequisites for it and how you can check that your particular system fulfilling these particular requirements or not. See, if this system type is not 64-bit operating system, you cannot run WSL. Here are the steps how we can installing WSL. Now I will perform step by step all the steps on the system. If we will found any error while running on the things, we will resolve it. It is very simple. First we need to open the command prompt with the admin right. Then you just write the command WSL -- install and click enter. It will take some time because it will download the required libraries or required Linux libraries or DLL and will install inside the system. If while running this command your installation get fail, rerun this command. Sometime it happen. I have noticed while running this command it get fail at some percentage, and what if you will rerun that particular command, it will execute properly. I will stop the video here so that installation get complete. Here Windows Subsystem for Linux installation is completed. Now it's installing the Ubuntu OS on my window. Once the installation is complete, we need to restart the system, and after that we can convert or we can use the Ubuntu command line on our Windows system. I'm again going to stop the video so that video will not be too long. Once it will get complete, I will resume the video. Actually installation is complete. Now Ubuntu has been installed. The requested operation is successful. Changes will not be effective until the system is rebooted. So now I need to restart my system. I need to stop the video here. So after the installation of WSL, what we need to perform next, or how we can access the CMD, I mean Ubuntu CMD, so that I will cover in the next video. I'm I will share the next video link inside the description of this video. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone. For the next parts, please use the link given below inside the description.